with Just Live. I'm going to show you today how to create an active to-do list. Yes, an active to-do list. A to-do list where you actually get things done. A to-do list where you actually make it happen, where you actually accomplish your goals and the things that you are trying to do. So the things you need, these right here, they're wooden clothes hooks, clothes hangers. If you don't know where to get them from, you can get them from the dollar store. You can get them from Dollar General. You can get them from Walmart. Pretty much everywhere that sells home goods have these. My trusty old paint. You're gonna need some paint, whatever color you want to make your board. Paint pans, because I'm gonna get kind of creative with it and do what I do. And I have a pencil, and you will see what I'm gonna do with this when we get started. So, and you need one of these. I like this style because I can get a little hook and I can hang it on my wall, and it lays flat towards the wall instead of kind of pushed out a little bit. This is really good. Also, they have different ones at different stores. You can get it again from anywhere that office supplies are sold. You can get it from there. So my paint is still kind of drying. These are paint sticks, so the paint is still kind of drying too as well. So I use my yellow paint stick, and you can actually get labels, and you can do it with just labels too, but I like to be extra sometimes. So what you're going to do is, and I already wrote it in, you're going to write daily, you're going to write to do, you're going to draw a line, write done, write weekly, to do, draw a line, write done. And this is where your clothes hangers come into play. So I have 4 boys, and they all have baseball practice. And I know I have to buy them some more baseball gear. So I'm going to write on here with my pencil. I'm going to write by B-ball gear. Here's my to-do list. And what I did was I put down just a few examples of how it would look. You will have more of these, of course, and of course you will have more that's done. So that's more to do and more that's done. So that's a good thing. So what you would do, it should look similar to this. You can create it however you want to create it. You can get real creative and spicy with it. You can use labels. You can use a board that's already colored. You can find those on Amazon. You can find them on Walmart.com. Any places that sell office material will have these boards that are already colored or whatever. So what I showed you was, like, I had an example of my boys needing baseball gear, and because this is something I needed to do, it went on my to-do list side. On this side is everything that is done. So what happens is once I do it, I move it over to the done side. And this helps me stay on track of what I need to do and what I've already done. It actually helps me focus because it's like, okay, well, I haven't done these yet, but at least I can say I got something done. At least I can say I did 3 out of the 4 for today, or I did 4 out of the 5 for this week. So it gives you encouragement. It helps you stay focused, really zone in on what you need to do so that you can get it done. Because if you can see it, if it's written down, it can definitely happen. Celebrate the small wins. So even if you don't get these to-do list things done on this day or this week, you can always move it to the following week. Hey guys, that's your how-to video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment. Also, remember, as always, get up and get organized.